All right, folks. Ever wish you could nail that perfect steak without the guesswork? Meet the ultimate kitchen sidekick, the instant read meat thermometer that'll transform your kitchen game. Imagine slicing into your roast and it's perfect every time. No more raw chicken surprises or overcooked steak disappointments. Welcome to culinary success without the stress. This little gadget is not just fast, we're talking lightning speed. In only 2 to 3 seconds, you'll know exactly what's going on inside your masterpiece. Instant kitchen confidence. And don't sweat the cleanup. Waterproof design means you can run it right under the tap. Goodbye, fussy maintenance. Hello, convenience. It's like magic without the rabbit. Remember those thermometer disappointments of the past? Not anymore. This digital dynamo doesn't play games with accuracy. Keep it precise and say goodbye to guesswork forever. Ergonomic and easy on the hands, it's like the thermometer's giving you a friendly hug. Yep, that kitchen tool you'll actually enjoy holding. The large backlit display is practically clairvoyant. Even in dim lighting, numbers shine bright. Finally, no more squinting at tiny screens over a hot stove. Let's talk versatility. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a backyard grill master, it's got your back. With meats, fish, even baked goods, it plays well with everybody. It's not just for the pros. If you can handle a spatula, you've got this. Perfect tool for anyone who's serious about good food and lots of fun. Stuck on the fridge? The built-in magnet makes storing your thermometer a breeze. Keep it handy for when inspiration strikes or hunger calls. Planning a BBQ blowout or just a quiet dinner for two? Either way, you'll be the hero of the day, delivering delicious meals flawlessly every time. Say goodbye to burnt offerings and hello to juicy, tender perfection. Your friends and family will think you've been hiding a Michelin-star chef in the basement. So, ready to elevate your cooking game? Smash that link below and step into a world where every meal is a win. Your kitchen deserves a new best friend.